Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by piles of laundry? In today's video, we'll explore 15 simple and minimalist tips to make your laundry routine not only easier, but also lighter on your time and energy. By embracing a less is more approach, you can transform this often daunting chore into a manageable, even effortless, part of your weekly routine. Let's dive into these practical strategies that will help you reclaim your laundry day. First up, let's talk about cutting down your inventory. One of the most effective ways to streamline your laundry routine is by minimizing the number of items that require washing. As a minimalist family, we've pared down to just one set of sheets per bed and 2 sets of towels. We've also slashed our wardrobe by more than 80%. When you have an excess of clothes, it's all too easy to let the laundry pile up, knowing you can always reach for something clean. Or worse, you lose track of what's clean and what's not, leading to unnecessary loads. By trimming your inventory, you gain clarity, knowing exactly what's clean and when it's time to tackle the laundry. Tip number 2 is to rethink how often you do laundry. Many people automatically toss clothes into the wash after just one wear, regardless of their actual cleanliness. However, this habit can lead to unnecessary laundry loads and wear on your garments. Instead, consider a more mindful approach. Only wash clothes when they're visibly stained or when they fail the smell test. Implementing these 2 simple criteria can drastically reduce the amount of laundry you do, potentially cutting your load by 50% or more. Not only will this save you time and effort, but it will also lower your utility bills and extend the lifespan of your clothing. Additionally, washing less frequently helps conserve water and energy, making your laundry routine more eco-friendly. So next time you're about to toss something in the wash, take a moment to assess whether it truly needs cleaning. By adopting these practices, you'll make laundry day more manageable and contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. Tip number 3 is to create designated drop zones for laundry. If you're frustrated with piles of clothes cluttering the floor, consider establishing specific drop zones for discarded clothing. I suggest placing these zones in high-traffic areas that are easily accessible and conveniently located near where clothes tend to be dropped. However, try to keep them slightly out of sight so they aren't immediately noticeable to anyone entering your home. For instance, after a long day at work, I often change into more comfortable clothes as soon as I get home. To avoid leaving a trail of clothes around the house, I set up a drop zone with a laundry basket in a corner of my closet, tucked away but easy to reach. This allows me to quickly discard my clothes in one designated spot. Later, when I'm ready to do laundry, I can easily gather everything from the drop zone and sort through what needs washing. The next tip. For delicate items like sweaters, lingerie, or clothes with lace details, using mesh laundry bags is essential to protect them during the wash cycle. These bags help prevent snagging, stretching, or damage to delicate fabrics, keeping your clothes in top condition. Additionally, mesh laundry bags are incredibly handy when traveling. You can use them to separate dirty clothes from clean ones, ensuring that your dirty laundry doesn't mix with your clean items in your suitcase. This keeps your luggage organized and makes laundry easier when you reach your destination. With this simple step, you can protect your favorite clothes and enjoy a smoother travel experience. Another great tip to save time and effort when doing laundry is to use laundry pods. These pods combine both detergent and fabric softener, so you don't have to spend time measuring out different products. Just toss a pod into the washing machine and you have all the ingredients needed for a perfect wash cycle. This not only saves you time, but also ensures your clothes come out clean and soft in just one easy step. Laundry pods are ideal for busy people who want to keep their clothes fresh without the hassle of complicated laundry routines. Tip number 6 is to simplify your life by using color coordination or matching techniques. A practical trick is to match or color code items like socks and underwear. For instance, if you stick to only white socks, losing a sock, whether it gets lost in the laundry or develops a hole, won't be an issue, as you'll still have other white socks that match perfectly. For families with children, color coding can be particularly useful. Assigning specific colors to each child's socks or underwear makes it easier for everyone to identify who each item belongs to and helps children learn to manage and organize their own belongings more effectively. Number 7. An effective way to make laundry easier and more efficient is to sort clothes by color before washing. By separating whites from colors, you not only prevent color bleeding between fabrics, but also protect your clothes from potential damage. This is especially useful for your favorite garments or delicate fabrics that require extra care. Color sorting also helps optimize the laundry process. You can easily select the right wash cycle for each type of clothing, saving water, detergent, and time. Instead of struggling with a mixed pile after every wash, taking just a few minutes to sort beforehand ensures everything runs smoothly and efficiently. This not only keeps your clothes looking their best, but also brings a sense of ease and satisfaction to your laundry routine. One crucial step I never skip is checking all the pockets to ensure no papers, pens, or other surprises sneak into the laundry. I've been doing this ever since I learned a tough lesson back in my college days. After a hectic day, I absent-mindedly left a pen in my pocket, and it ended up ruining an entire load of clothes. The ink stained everything, and replacing all those clothes cost me a small fortune, a big setback for a cash-strapped student. Since then, I've developed a meticulous routine. I turn every pocket inside out, and while I'm at it, I also look for loose change or forgotten receipts. It's amazing what treasures you can find. Spare change, old to-do lists, even a forgotten piece of candy. This small habit has saved me from many potential disasters and keeps my laundry routine running smoothly. The next tip: pre-treating stains before washing is an essential step to make your laundry routine more effective. When faced with tough stains like grease, red wine, or food spills, resist the urge to throw the items straight into the washing machine. Instead, apply a small amount of specialized stain remover or natural ingredients like baking soda or vinegar directly onto the stain. Allow it to sit for a few minutes to penetrate the stain. Then, gently rub or blot the area to loosen the stain before placing the garment in the washer. This approach not only removes stains more effectively, but also prevents clothes from fading or being damaged due to repeated washing. For unusual or particularly difficult stains, searching for specific solutions on Google can save you a lot of time and effort. One simple tip to make laundry easier and more effective is to turn clothes inside out before putting them in the washing machine. This helps protect the fabric's surface from wear and tear during the wash cycle, especially for dark-colored or patterned fabrics that are prone to fading. By turning clothes inside out, you can also minimize color fading, keeping them looking vibrant and fresh for longer. Additionally, it protects decorative details such as buttons, lace, or printed designs from damage caused by friction. Adding this small step to your laundry routine can extend the life of your clothes and keep them looking new. The next tip is wash sportswear right after working out. Sportswear is often exposed to sweat and bacteria during workouts, which can cause bad odors and damage the fabric if not cared for properly. To keep your sportswear clean and long-lasting, wash it right after exercising. This helps remove sweat, oils, and bacteria before they have a chance to penetrate the fabric, causing unpleasant smells and deteriorating the material over time. For delicate fabrics or high-end sportswear, hand washing with cold water and mild detergent is recommended to avoid damaging the fabric. Washing sportswear immediately after use not only keeps it in top condition, but also extends its lifespan, saving you money on replacements. The next way to save time on laundry is to use the quick wash setting on your washing machine. The quick wash cycle, which usually lasts around 15 to 30 minutes, is perfect for clothes that aren't heavily soiled or just need a light refresh. Using this setting not only saves time, but also conserves water and energy. This is especially helpful when you need to do laundry in a hurry or on a busy day. However, make sure to use this cycle only for lightly soiled items to ensure your clothes come out clean and fresh. Instead of using a dryer, we like to hang our clothes outside in the sun and fresh air. A surprising choice for me, someone who once thought I couldn't live without a dryer. I found that this simple method not only makes our clothes last longer, but also feels relaxing. I enjoy the fresh smell of laundry drying on the rack. Plus, hanging clothes to dry saves electricity and lowers our energy bills. It usually takes about 24 hours for the clothes to dry, depending on the weather, but I think it's worth it. Also, hanging clothes reduces wrinkles, so I don't have to iron as much. Once everything is dry, I gather the clothes and bring them to the bedroom to fold. This makes the laundry process easier and more organized. And the last in this list, a smart way to save time while doing laundry is to combine it with other household tasks. While waiting for the washing machine to finish its cycle, you can use this time to water the plants, prep ingredients for cooking, or tidy up a small area in the house. This not only helps you make the most of your time, but also makes the laundry process feel less overwhelming. Instead of just waiting around or feeling tied down by laundry, you can get other small tasks done, making your schedule more flexible and giving you more free time during the day. As a result, not only is the laundry done, but your home is also more organized. And one final tip to keep in mind is to regularly clean your washing machine. This is a crucial step to ensure your clothes stay fresh and clean. Over time, washing machines can accumulate dirt, detergent residue, and bacteria, which can lead to unpleasant odors and reduce washing efficiency. By cleaning your washing machine regularly, you can remove these residues and prevent bacteria growth. Using white vinegar or baking soda is a natural and safe way to clean the drum, deodorize, and keep your machine running smoothly. This not only helps your clothes stay clean, but also extends the lifespan of your washing machine. If you found value in this video, I would love it if you would consider going down and hitting the little red subscribe button and ringing the bell to turn on all notifications so that you don't miss any of the helpful videos I'm sharing here on my channel each week to help you simplify your way to a life you love. And if you feel like your wardrobe needs a bit of a reset, make sure to check out this video, or I'll see you next week. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.